Hey Ideas Powered, it's Morten from Denmark here. I'm really looking forward to the workshop in Zagreb, Croatia this year. It was a blast last year, so it's going to be this year as well. And I'm really looking forward to see you all. Peace out.
Hi Ideas Powered, this is Nefeli speaking. I'm really looking forward to the workshop and I cannot wait to see you guys all in Zagreb next week. Ciao.
Hi Ideas Powered, it's Marco here. I'm looking forward to seeing you next week in Zagreb.
Hi, Ideas Powered. It is Jonas from Denmark. I'm looking so much forward to the workshop here in Zagreb. I had a lot of fun last year and I can't wait to learn a lot of things and meet all of you down in Croatia. See you.
Hi, Ideas Powered. It's Alasoki here. So, are you excited? It's almost time. Looking forward to see you guys in Zagreb.
Hello Ideas Powered, it's Henri from Paris. Looking forward to seeing you guys in Zagreb next week. I can't wait. See you soon.
Hi guys, my name is Sofia Lukianska and I'm the influencer from Riga. Can't wait to see you all in Zagreb on Ideas Powered event.
Hey, Ideas Powered, it's Ben here from the Netherlands. I'm really looking forward to the workshops in Zagreb and see you all there. Bye.
Hi Idea Powered, it's Kamila from Poland. I can't wait to see you guys in Zagreb. We're having a really good time, so best regard and see you soon.
Hi Ideas Powered, it's Lana here from Prague. I'm so looking forward to the workshop and can't wait to see you guys in Zagreb. See ya!